every comrade, every supporter, every undecided voter who came here this evening to listen to the message of hope and change. Because make no mistake, comrades, make no mistake, time come for a better life. My brothers and sisters, Montego Bay is a proud city. A city that stood tall and at one time was referred to as the Republic of Montego Bay. Known for its independence, known for its bold voice and its determination of its own path. But for too long now, and especially over the last 9 years, that voice has been muted. The middle class here in Montego Bay, the middle class that once anchored the city, now feels alienated. The business class feels ignored. Our middle-income communities have been swallowed up by endless strips of our commercial spaces. And in fact, many of our working communities have been left derelict, neglected, and forgotten. I refuse to accept that such a city as Montego Bay should remain like this. I believe that Montego Bay deserves better. My mission is to be your servant and advocate, is to restore that strong, independent voice that Montego Bay once had. When I become your member of parliament, I will ensure that we build affordable housing for all income levels, that we include dwelling spaces for every category of professionals in this constituency, because Montego Bay must facilitate everyone.